this video, I'm going to show you how to use wireless mouse with Android phone. So if you have wireless mouse and you want to turn your Android phone to your computer, you can easily connect your wireless mouse to your phone to use it as a computer. So here in this video, you learn how you can easily connect any wireless mouse to an Android. So this works on Android of any kind, whether you're using Samsung, Oppo, Realme, Redmi, MI phones, you can easily connect your mouse to your phone. So if you're done with this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do when you want to connect your wireless mouse to your phone is you need this OTG drive. So depending on the type of your charger, if you are using type C or BlackBerry charger, then you need to get an OTG type of your device. So we'll be able to connect my wireless mouse with my Android phone. So without wasting your time, let's go ahead and do this. Now, when you want to connect your wireless mouse to your Android phone, so the first thing to do is you want to insert your OTG on your device just like this. Then once you inserted the OTG, then you should see the USB indicator at the top here, trying to install the OTG. And once the OTG is installed successfully, USB indicator will disappear. Now the next thing you want to do is you need to open your wireless mouse. Open this like this, and then get this Bluetooth communicator from your wireless mouse. Now once you remove the Bluetooth communicator just like this, go ahead and insert it on the OTG on your Android phone. Then you're going to have it just like this. Now turn on the wireless mouse. Then once you turn the wireless mouse, you see a red indicator indicating that the wireless mouse is connected to the device. Now if I press the wireless mouse button like this, you can see I'm now controlling my phone with the wireless mouse. Then if I have my wireless mouse, then you should see the wireless mouse pointer. You see that? This black indicator. Now if I just go ahead and double click, it's going to open the Chrome browser. Then if I click on this again, then scroll down, then right click, it's going to open. Then come here and click on this. Then you can come down here, close the tab, then return to the home page using your hand like this. Then again switch up. Then you can go to your phone settings, click on the settings. On the setting, click on search for pointer. Here you should see the pointer size under mouse pad and trackpad. Then this is the pointer size. Then you can enlarge the pointer size or reduce the size of the pointer. Then change the pointer color. Then once you are done, click on the back button like this. Then here under general management, click on pointer speed. Then reduce the speed so that you'll be able to control it perfectly. You can also turn on enhanced pointer precision. So then left mouse, what do you want to use the left mouse for, or right mouse? Left mouse or right mouse. Then secondary button, if you click on this, you see the contextual and this additional button. So then if you hit the back button again, it's going to go back. So let's increase the speed a bit. Then hit the back button while scrolling. Then here you can just scroll down and come to pointer size and color. Then configure all this. Once you're done configuring this, come back to your home page. Then pointer should be working. You see that? So if you click on anything, right click, you see this, it's going to open the home button. Left click, then left click, then left click again, scroll down, left click. Then you can put your phone in offline mode. Then come back again, see that? Then click on anywhere in the home. So this is how you can easily connect your mouse to your Android phone. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.